Ever felt like your business is a runaway train? You're booking jobs left and right, but you're losing track of what's what. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into Housecall Pro's secret weapon to tame that chaos. Job tags. Think about your business. You've got plumbing jobs, electrical jobs, HVAC, maybe even handyman services. Now throw in emergencies, callbacks, estimates, and different types of customers. It's a juggling act, right? That's where job tags come in. Imagine having a magic wand that lets you sort your jobs into different categories. Need to see all the plumbing jobs scheduled for next week? Boom! Job tags. Want to identify which customers are repeat offenders for missed appointments? You guessed it, job tags. So what exactly are job tags? Well, they're like little labels you stick on your jobs to categorize them. You can create as many tags as you need, and each job can have multiple tags. It's like creating your own custom filing system for your business. But why bother? Let's break it down. First, job tags help you organize your workload. Want to see how many HVAC installations you have scheduled for the month? A quick filter by the HVAC installation tag gives you the answer. Need to prioritize emergency calls? Tag them as emergency and voila, you have a clear view of what needs immediate attention. Second, job tags are a goldmine for data. Housecall Pro lets you generate reports based on job tags. Want to know which service is the most profitable? Check the tags on your completed jobs. Looking to identify your top customers? Tag repeat customers and analyze the data. Third, job tags can improve your customer service. By tagging customers based on their preferences or past issues, you can tailor your approach. A tag like sensitive customer can remind you to be extra careful, while a tag like loves upsells can help you suggest additional services. But how do you actually use job tags? It's simple. When creating a new job, just add the relevant tags. You can also add or remove tags after the job is created. Housecall Pro makes it easy to manage your tags, so you can keep your system organized and efficient. Now let's talk about some creative ways to use job tags. How about tagging jobs based on the technician who handles them? This helps you track performance and identify training needs. Or tag jobs based on the equipment or parts used. This can help you manage inventory and identify opportunities for cost savings. Remember, the possibilities are endless. The key is to be consistent and use tags that actually help you run your business better. So there you have it. Job tags are a powerful tool that can transform how you manage your business. By using them effectively, you can increase efficiency, improve customer service, and make better business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tagging.